Well, hello everyone and welcome back. So this is my 30-day bug report for Chrome OS Flex. This is probably the most boring Linux-based system I've ever tried for all the right reasons, because after 30 days installing this in two machines, a Gateway PC and a Toshiba laptop that had Windows Vista, in two machines, there are no bugs. I'm impressed, as I have been impressed in the past with Chromebooks. I got two Chromebooks that work flawlessly. If you've never tried Chrome OS or Chromebook, you should. Maybe you've tried Chrome OS or a Linux-based system in the past and maybe found bugs or you didn't like it. Seriously, when was the last time anyone tried to install a Linux system and found zero bugs? I've been doing this since 2006, trying different Linux-based systems. And Chromebooks and Chrome OS Flex, the only ones that I've never had to solve a puzzle, as somebody once said on this channel. There's nothing to solve. There's nothing to fix. It either works or it doesn't work. This is impressive. Somebody on YouTube said that Chromebooks are an underappreciated masterpiece. I would have to agree. Chrome OS doesn't get the attention it deserves. This is on my top 3 list for Linux, for Windows users, and for anybody. The other two are Linux Mint and Zorin OS, which I enjoy using very much in the past. If you haven't tried this, you really should, because it isn't every day that you come across a system that's about as flawless as it can be for the way it was designed. So if you are a Windows user and maybe you tried Linux in the past and hey, Total OS, I don't know, Linux is for geeks. I tried it once and I had no sound or my video crashed. I totally get it. 2 months ago I did an update to Ubuntu. Perhaps the most popular, the most famous Linux-based system. After the update, I had no audio. I rebooted. I even reinstalled the system. The audio output said dummy output. How appropriate. I no longer use Ubuntu. So if you tried Linux in the past and you had issues, I get it. But with this, you cannot say that Linux sucks. You just can't, because this is wonderful to use. It's a breeze to install. For me, it took 5 minutes to install. And on an SSD, this absolutely flies. Even on an older machine with an old hard disk drive, you may be impressed by the speed of this thing. So, look, try it. I'll have links below in the show notes for Chrome OS Flex and for Chromebooks. I have two Chromebooks and I enjoy using them. Admittedly, I don't use laptops that much anymore. I don't even use my tablets anymore. It's either going to be my computer here or my computer next to my 50-inch TV to my left or my Motorola cell phone. But when I do use laptops, I don't use my Windows laptop anymore. It's either going to be the Chrome OS Flex laptop or the Chromebook. So yeah, this really is a modern masterpiece of Linux engineering, and the team at Google deserves a round of applause. Oh, hang on, my phone is ringing. Oh, it's somebody from Google now. Okay. Hello? Yeah, that's me. Yeah, Yeah, I just told everybody that Chrome OS Flex is the best. There's no bugs. No, I installed. There's no bug. No, yeah. No, it works. I told everybody. Yeah. Yes, I'm very happy. Yeah. Yes, I have two Chromebooks. They work fine. Yeah, you can deposit the $5,000 in my account tomorrow. I need to buy a new chair. This one's getting kind of rickety. I need to buy a new Windows PC, a new MacBook. For my channel here. Yeah. All right, Google. Thank you so much. Very, very, very kind of you. Thank you. Okay. Thanks. Yeah, bye-bye.